students, and welcome to Crash Course 2.0 Learn to Grow. And today our lesson is fractions multiplication. Yes, in simple words today we shall learn how do we multiply fractions. So let's start. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Question given to us is 8 families went on a picnic. Each family had a cake for the picnic. 3 out of the 4th of each cake was eaten. We want to find out how much cake was eaten in all. We could find out this answer using repeated addition. That is, you can have one cake having the area 3 by 4th, second cake 3 by 4th, and so on until we have all the 8 cakes. And then have 24 by 4 is equal to 6. Or we can multiply 8 into 3 by 4. How much the answer would be? So now the question is, how do you multiply 8 into 3 by 4? Let's say I had two numbers, number 8 into number 1. The answer would be 8 because we have 8 into 1 equals 8. But here we have a fraction 3 by 4. So how do we do this? So let's see step by step. To multiply a whole number and a fraction, as you can see here, the 8 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. Step number 1, write the whole number as a fraction. As per you know, when I say number 8, I mean it is a whole number. Can I write 8 as 8 by 1? Or just 8 is the same thing? Yes, it is. So you can write down here now, 8 as 8 by 1 into 3 by 4. Number 2 step. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. That is same like saying we can have the first upper part, that is 8 into 3, that is 24, divided by 1 into 4, that is 4. Now we have got 24 by 4. Number 3 step, simplify. We have got here 24 by 4, and as per you know, 4 times 6 is 24. The answer would be 6 cakes were eaten at the picnic. So from this we have learned how to use the 3 simple steps to multiply any two numbers where we have one number being a whole number and other number being a fraction, isn't it? Multiplying fractions by fractions. Pradeep's mother had made a halwa and put it into a rectangular dish. This amount of halwa that Pradeep saw was left in the dish. That is, 3 by 4th of the halwa was in the dish. Now Pradeep ate 1 by 2 of what was left. So how much did Pradeep eat? To find 1 by 2 of 3 by 4th, we could also multiply. So you can use the word of as a multiplication symbol. How would I do this? Let's see. 1 by 2 of 3 by 4, which is same as saying 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So as you can see here, the word of is replaced by multiplication symbol. Yes? To multiply a fraction by a fraction. Step number 1. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we have here 1 into 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 4 is equal to 8, giving us 3 by 8 as answer. Step number 2. Simplify if possible. Now the fraction 3 by 8 is already in this lowest form. So what does the word simplify means? If you do remember, we talked about the final answer of a given fraction having to follow always the 2 conditions. Number 1 condition is it must be in the lowest term. What does it mean? Lowest term means that it should be in the simplest form possible. Let's say we have the number 2 by 4. I can further this as 1 by 2 because I can divide both of them by number 2 to give me the required answer. Isn't it so? Yes. I'm giving me 1 by 2 as answer. And number 2 step is that I have to check if the given number is improper or not. If the given number is improper fraction, like let's say 8 by 3, then important to convert them into mixed fraction. And how do you do this? We're going to take number 8 divided by 3. And as per you know, 3 to the 6, giving remainder as again 2. And giving us 2 by 3 as answer. And that will be our mixed answer, okay? Answer. Pradeep ate 3 by 8 of the halwa. Now, let's use a shortcut method to find the answer. Sometimes it is possible to use a shortcut method and simplify before the last step. So no need to follow the final answer step where you have to convert a given number to its lowest term. We can do that beforehand yourself. How do we do this? Given two numbers here, 4 by 5 into 7 by 8. Look for the common factors between the numerator and denominator and then divide. Here 4 divides both 4 and 8. This is equal to 4 into 7 divided by 5 into 8. As per 4 ones are 4, so 1 over here, and 4 twos are 8, so 2 over here. So now I have 1 into 7 divided by 5 into 2, that's equal to 7 divided by 10. So my answer would be 7 by 10. And thus we have got the answer of multiplying these two numbers using the shortcut method. If we have done this in a normal way without using the shortcut method, we could have got this answer to be as 28 divided by 40. And then we could divide both of them by using 4 to give me 7 by 10. Instead, using the shortcut method, we have got the answer in just 2 steps. Yes? So what we have learned today? Today we have learned about multiplying fractions and whole numbers and then multiplying fractions by fractions. If you have any more questions based on multiplying a given fraction, or if you want more problems based on this concept, always let me know in the comments down below. I shall guide you, I shall help you out. And till then, keep learning, my friends. And please do subscribe to my channel if you have found this video very helpful to you, and share it to your friends who want to learn the same concept as you have learned today. And well done. Thank you.